ಇದ್ರೆ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
Literally holding my pant like this, or else seen on you. गांड जो फटी है ना भाइयों मेरी.
मेरी मति मारी गई थी जो मैंने इसमें बुक की.
Yo, what's up guys? I am in Bengaluru. Yes, I have reached Bengaluru this morning and was my journey peaceful? Was everything fine? No. Can it ever happen that Yatik Raj has a peaceful life? Never. So my bus got spoiled last night at 1 o'clock. I've recorded it. So go enjoy and come. I will tell you the next problem next. Go watch. Go. I thought the bus is fixed, but the bus is not fixed. There was some problem with the ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಲೇಟರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಐ ಡನ್ ಟು ಯು? ನಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
Don't know what to do, guys. Don't know what to do. Just enjoying Sakleshpur cold weather. I don't know, brother, what to do with this weather. Bus got spoiled.
Why brother, why? Couldn't you fix your bus? Couldn't you check your bus before sending it to pick Mr. Yatik Raj? That is my question. Like, how can you be so irresponsible? How can you be? Look at this hotel Ashrita. I think I have come here during when I came to Sakleshpur with Dishan Sujay. I don't know if this is the place, but yeah, nice. ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿ ಹುಡುಗ ವಿತ್ ಒಬ್ಬಂಟಿ ನಾಯಿ ಮರಿ ತಿಂಡಿ ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಕಲ್, ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಅಂಕಲ್ is here. Full confusion. Driver uncle also full confused, like what to do, Yatik is in bus now, what to do? What if Yatik posts this somewhere, scene ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, company stocks full low ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮದು. Not sponsored anyways, so what is this? This is best. SRTC ತಡಬಡ್ it goes, it doesn't stop like this. Should have booked this only. What Ambari Utsav. At least I would be like this going, what's up brother? Sorry, what's up sister? My bus full, what to do? No battery it seems. Battery got fixed. Now no accelerator. What to do? That only we have to do to reach our body. What to do? You tell me.
ಇದ್ರೆ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ
ನಕ್ಕ ಉಲ್ಲೆದು ಎಂದ್ರಿದು ನಕ್ಕ ಉಲ್ಲೆ. Thank God I don't have a meeting in the morning or something like that. Super chilly.
Super. No kelsa, only time pass. हमारी उत्सव, you are the best. I am sorry. मेरी मति मारी गई थी जो मैंने इसमें बुक की. 600 रुपए सेव करने के चक्कर में लग गए ना भाऊ. While coming I have booked Ambari. One main reason why I have booked this is because this goes to Sujay's house, like directly, direct to Kulimau. That's why I have booked this. Else I would have booked that only. Like 600 रुपए बहन से भीख मांग लेता. ठीक है, कोई नहीं, क्या कर सकते हैं, जिंदगी है. ब्लॉगर की जिंदगी में अगर प्रॉब्लम ना आए तो क्या ब्लॉगर. You think I have kept it in stand? No, I have kept it on this. The dog came close to me and I was little like, the thing is I like dogs, okay. मेरे को कुत्ते बहुत पसंद है भाऊ, कुत्तों को मैं नहीं पसंद. Is that my problem? I don't know when will they fix this bus now. Okay. टाइम पास करेंगे. क्या करेंगे टाइम पास के लिए पता नहीं. मेरे को पता नहीं. पता. बस देख. KSRTC. Look at KSRTC. It is running back to back. गलती कर दी. Just because this bus goes to Hulima direct. I could have booked KSRTC, taken metro, taken cab, but no. भाई को 600 रुपए. इद्रे नेम्दी ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. They are trying to fix it, but I don't know what will happen. Let's see. I mean, these kind of things happen, right? ये तो चलता रहता है जिंदगी में. सब चलता रहता है. Though it shouldn't have happened. That's why I booked the bus, like कि कोई problem ना हो. मत ಯಾಕಾಯ್ತಿದು? ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ದಿಟ್ಟ ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಯತಿಕ್ ರಾಜ್. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ ಗೈಸ್. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് कर दो ഗൈസ്. തെല്ല് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ആക്കും. കുറച്ച് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യും. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब प्लीज. गरीब की थाली में 2 रोटी मिल जाए तो बस है. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार. सब्सक्राइब कर दो. बहुत बुरा लगता है. सब्सक्राइब कर दो.
क्या रे भिक मंगिया.
लव यू. गांव जो फटी है ना भाइयों मेरी, कुत्तों के बीच में मेरी गांव. ओ भाई प्लीज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम मी. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Can you see me? Bus is fixed, so let's go. Time to sleep. Love you. I don't know, something conductor uncle put his leg on something and he started. Respect बाबू, respect. तुमका respect मेरा. चलो, see you in Bengaluru. So that was the scene, and now I am in Bangalore, and look at me, I am all set. How to show you? Wait. But the problem is my pant won't stay up because I forgot my belt. How is it possible that Yatik does not forget anything? Does not happen. Okay, so my pant is not staying, so I saw if I stand straight now, I am walking little like this I am walking, like stretching my legs and walking, or else for sure my pant will fall in public. So I've come here. Style union ante. Let's go and buy one belt too. Let's go. I'm literally holding my pants like this, or else seen only 18 plus content. Belt too. I have one black belt at home. What color should I buy? I think I should buy brown. Whatever it is, whatever is cheap and best. Let's go. See, my pant won't stay up. It's like slipping. I have to walk like this. Guys, the belt works. Time to check if it really works like this. Yes, it won't fall off. Let's go. By the way, this is the outfit. How do I look?
Full outfit. Chalo, I'm late. Now next stop I have to go to MG Road, so I am going to JP Nagar Metro, then taking a metro from there to Majestic, then Purple Line, because paise bachao, metro istemal karo, and I'm already late. It's 12 o'clock, but my friends are coming at 12:30. I don't know if I'll reach. Belt ke chakkar mein late ho gaya bhau, but it was necessary because इज्जत का सवाल है भाई. Where is my auto Anna? Auto Anna is here. So after hanging out with my friends, I went home and had a very beautiful conversation with the Auto Anna. Auto Anna started telling me about his life, his kids, and random things, and we had a really good conversation. After that, I slept off, and the next day was crazy. I'll tell you why. I have kept this video short and simple, so please subscribe right now, because the part 2 is coming on this channel. On the next video you will see how I went on a date. You will see my sexy outfit, and I will show you my sexy date, and it's gonna be crazy fun. So stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, send it to your friends, and love you. Amma, drift one play. Drift, please. Granny no fun, bro.